Preparing for tomorrow's internet. The Internet of Things doesn't have to be a dismal future. We just need to get ready. And if the technological advancements of the last 20 years are any indication, we have a lot to look forward to. We review some of the most hopeful internet developments influencing our society as we continue to investigate cyber issues in honor of International Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and we add some ideas for how we might get ready for the realities of the future. Computer learning. Machine learning is one of the most enigmatic terms in today's computer lingo. Fundamentally, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from experience and modify their behavior in response to input. One of the core components of Kaspersky Labs antivirus detection is machine learning. Our strategy is known as Who Machine. Blade Runner 2049 was released in early October to resounding critical acclaim. The follow-up to the 1982 science fiction classic of the same name has many of its predecessors' components, including humanoid androids, holograms, and flying vehicles. The movie presents a distinctly dystopian vision of the future, one in which the technology we had originally anticipated as being beneficial turns out to be terrifying and foreboding. It's a relief that the future shown in the Blade Runner series is more predicated on shock value than fact. After all, it's just a movie. We should have higher expectations of our technology and its creators. Big data, machine learning, and the knowledge of our research analysts have been combined by Kaspersky Lab to provide more accurate and thorough threat detection methods and monitoring systems. Because it offers smarter, more thorough answers and keeps improving them, machine learning is unique in that it enables computers to better forecast and plan for difficulties. Take the D&D DOS assault from the previous year, which rendered the internet unusable for a number of hours. Because Dean's algorithms increased their mitigation of the Mirai assault second by second, machine learning significantly reduced the attack's breadth. The network got increasingly adept at spotting and blocking attacks from compromised IoT devices as the amount of assaults from these devices increased. The Who machine and malware detection technologies from Kaspersky Lab function similarly. Files are scanned, then the results are compared to known malware, virus, and threat code. In this approach, we recognize and classify the majority of dangerous code, and our milliliter algorithms continue to advance. Network of Things. Although the Internet of Things, IoT, is now a growing tech sector, it won't be long before internet-connected gadgets become an integral part of everyone's lives. Many of the everyday items we use are already connected to the Internet and, through our personal devices, to us. The Internet of Things, IoT, is designed to be a technology that will improve our efficiency, safety, and security because of how linked everything is. However, these gadgets have the potential to make us less safe. Numerous privacy concerns are brought on by the IoT, and new attack methods use IoT devices for sinister objectives. Again, the Dean attack is perhaps the best known but by no means the only example. In fact, according to our most recent study, DDoS assaults are now affecting more organizations than ever. The major problem of our time will be to secure, maintain, and improve the internet performance of IoT devices. The role that IoT ultimately plays in our lives will be strongly influenced by how we handle this problem. Autonomous vehicles. The autonomous automobile stands at the confluence of the IoT revolution, the growth of internet performance, and the availability and maturing of machine learning. The most daring technological challenge of our time may be to perfect the autonomous car, which combines a number of our most cutting-edge innovations to create a fresh approach to transportation, safety, and time savings for people. But when will autonomous cars become commonplace and how safe are they? These topics have already been covered here, and we have written about a number of new autonomous cars debuted at the most recent Frankfurt Motor Show. The autonomous automobiles of the near future will be put to their greatest test in terms of safety. How can we protect drivers and passengers, resolve the ethical issues raised by natural and human-caused disasters, and stop criminals from taking advantage of security flaws that might expose our autonomous cars to risk? These will be some of the most difficult problems we face today. Additional astounding forecasts. You may be aware that Kaspersky Lab just marked 20 years in business. In honor of the occasion, we created a brand new multimedia project called Earth 2050 where we summarize the forecasts of both renowned futurologists and Kaspersky experts. Numerous projections about how technology will continue to alter our lives over the next 30 years are currently available on the website. Check out the project here and leave comments. What future effects do you think technology will have on our lives? And how can we all cooperate to get ready for a future that is more interconnected?